Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. These are the new and latest case from SUPCASE, and this is for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out the cases, see what this needs some of this sample to do a review on. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see. So I got 4 of these cases. Wow, look at the packaging. Very, very nice. So it says SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle. Yeah, these are the military standard drop tests. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to open this up and see what other cases look like. See the description on this one. This one's EXO black, and these cases are made in China. So I got the thank you card and everything. So I got the nice design on the backing with the clear polycarbonate lens. Let's go ahead and take out the top of the frame. Got the nice protective buttons. And there are no buttons on this side. Got the microphone on top. Got the nice carbon fiber look design. It's kind of fit in there pretty tight. Plus I clipped my nail, so it's gonna be harder to pry out. You gotta be sure to get the silicone side out the groove, or it's not gonna come out. So these are the rubber silicone, those black parts. Let's go and then check out this one. This one's UB Pro Black. It's a shock resistant 360-degree protection, perfect gripping, multi-layer design. This one has a belt clip holster. So let's go ahead and check it out. Wow. So this is the SUPCASE. Okay. Wow, this one's Very, very nice. Got the nice belt clip that allow you to rotate. Wow, 360 degree. And this is to remove it. You gotta lift this clip. There's a nice padding right here too as well. And it says SUPCASE, designed by Brilliant Tech Inc. Made in China. Then here's the instruction on how to install it again. Wow. And then this one has a kickstand. Okay. Got the landscape mode or the portrait mode. Got the nice design right here. Almost like a carbon fiber. And you have the flat right here for the USB Type-C charging port. So avoid from sand, dirt, or water getting on there. Got a microphone hole, speaker, and then your stylus. Go ahead and then remove the top of the frame. Yeah, make sure you pry out the silicone on the side. Else it is impossible for you to remove. And you got the SUPCASE, drop protection, military standards. So again, you got the silicone protective buttons right there. Very nice. So yeah, you know, the S20 Ultra is pretty expensive. You want to have a full body protection. So yeah, you can rotate this way or that way, okay? That's good. So let's just go ahead and check out this one. This one's Exo Black. So it is for, this one's Note 20 Ultra. This one's for Note 20. So yeah, both of this on the left hand side, it is for Note 20 only. And this is the bigger one. The 6.7-inch display versus 6.9. Yeah, so somehow this one has been removed the plastic, the protective wrap. And you got the SUPCASE branding right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out this one. It's a Pro Black again. So yeah, this one's a pretty heavy duty belt clip. Not no cheap one. So yeah, if you don't want to use the belt clip or the holster, you can just use a case like this. Just give you guys a side-by-side comparison real quick. Yeah, it's not off by much. Yeah, you can see it's just a little bit taller, that's it. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. I'll be including the link that is going to show you in the description, so you guys can check out the cases. And there are some other ones that they made for apples. Alright? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.